Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, so today I'd like to present my presentation about China. So in this presentation, I will use Pechakucha method. Okay, so welcome to China. China have the good city like cyberpunk city in many cities. China is like live in another world. So China have many population where they have 1 billion point 40 60 16. Okay, this is the national flag of China, dominated by red color, and there is the big star one and fourth little star. Oh yeah, China is a communist country. So, and then they have a government like this. The president is Xi Jinping, where it's elect from 14 March and 2013 until now. And then the prime minister of China is Li Qiang, where he elect in March 2023 until now. Okay, short history about China. China is the one of the oldest countries. It had many dynasties like Qin, Han, Tang, and Qing. In 1912, the emperor system ended. In 1649, China became a communist country. Now it is a powerful nation. As you see in the hot topics now, China is a war about sell, export and import with America. Okay, agriculture in China. The fertile plains of eastern China include the Yangtze River Delta, are ideal for rice cultivation, while wheat, corn, and soybeans are common in the northern and central regions. China excels in tea production in provinces like Yunnan, Fujian. Western regions are better suited for livestock like sheep, goats, and yaks. Okay, and then this is the current currency of China. China use yuan currency for the transaction every day, and then they have a national anthem with the title March of Volunteers. Okay, Chinese culture. Chinese culture, Chinese New Year, also known as the Spring Festival, is the most important holiday. Fireworks and the iconic dragon and lion dance. Chinese New Year is celebrated in many countries like Indonesia and other countries because many of Chinese people is live in overseas. Okay, and then Chinese food. Chinese food is very common in other countries like Indonesia. Chinese food, China's have his traditional food like dim sum and then Peking duck and hot pot. It being popular in China and others country. Okay, and then China has the famous landmarks where many tourists want to visit, like the Great Wall of China and then the Forbidden City and the Terracotta Army. This is a very beautiful destination for your vacation or travel if you want to go to China. And then they have top universities where this university is top in Asia too, like Tsinghua University and then Peking University where it's located in Beijing and then Fudan University. And then China's manufacture. China has a very good manufacture because they're always have an innovation where in the long time ago China is marked like duplicate country because many of fake brand or fake thing is from China. But now China have a good manufacturer and that and born the good brand like VD and others. And then China cities. China has a very good city because their that country was very good. Like Shanghai. Shanghai is there is many skyscraper building, and then Shenzhen it's seems like Shanghai. There's like cyber city, and then Beijing, and then China's have a very good brand where it best selling in the world. Like BD is electric car production where they have more cheap than other competitor like Tesla and others. And then Xiaomi is the cheap brand, cheap brand in smartphone where it have a good performance. And then Alibaba.com for their e-commerce. Wildlife in China. The giant panda, known for its black and white fur, is one of the most famous animals in China and is a symbol of conservation efforts. The South China tiger, though critically endangered, is another iconic species native to China. China's coastal waters are home to the Chinese white dolphin, a rare protected species. And then this is the China's public figure. This is Yao Ming, where is a popular NBA player. And then this is Jack Ma for the founder of Alibaba.com, where it's the famous e-commerce in the world. And then the last is Bruce Lee, where Bruce Lee have a good skill at Kung Fu. And then this is the famous movies from China. The first is Karate Kid. This is have many showtime in the world, and then the second is Kung Fu Hustle, and the last is Ip Man, IP Man. And then the famous sport in China is table tennis, and then badminton. So in these categories of sport, China have a good athletes, as you can see in YouTube. Like China's badminton was very good. Okay, thank you for still 30 seconds. Okay. China have a good in basketball too because China can being the one of the most watched leagues in the country. And then the China's martial arts was famous too, like Kung Fu and Tai Chi, have been practiced in China for centuries and are deeply rooted in Chinese culture. Okay, so this is my presentation about China's country, where China is the good country in the world, and maybe it will be the number one country and more better than US. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.